What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. So today we are going to put downpipes on my friend's E90. That's something that I want to do to my car, but I'm still trying to catch up with the maintenance and stuff like that. So it's going to give me experience, so when I want to put some downpipe in my car, I'll know how to do it. Series number 2 with Alonso. I'm working on Alonso's car. All right, so now we are putting his downpipes in. Got the car on the lift. Where's the new ones at?
ARM MOTORSPORts.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Nothing like the eBay ones.
Hell no.
Look at that. Real nice.
They actually got really good welds.
Uh-huh.
You know, people bash on them a lot because they've had bad experiences, but I mean, I already inspected them and they look solid. And for $279.
$279.
There's a coupon right now, I think, and I got mine for like $230.
Okay.
So $230 for downpipes. It's a win-win, bro.
Okay. So first, he already took off the main cover up here. We're gonna take off this cover and this cover. Take off access to take this off. I'm also taking off the V-brace right now. So he took out this E12 right here on this side. So you can move the steering rack a little bit back to give you some more access. And we're gonna just take out this lower downpipe first to get to the second one. Now you got the V-brace out. We're taking out 12mm nuts to the downpipes.
Making progress.
Look at those biceps.
Bro, I don't even care.
So now we're just trying to take off the old downpipes. We're trying to pry this off, but actually loosening this little strap right here that it has helps it come down a bit, which makes it easier to take this off. Nice.
Here she is.
First one out.
3 hours later. Ooh. Ain't she a beauty?
Cool. So we had to put some PV blaster on the sensors because they're real tight on there, but first one is out. Now to the second one. Nice. Downpipe number 2.
Downpipe number 2 is out.
About to be rich once he sells those.
Hell yeah.
Another stimulus check.
Another stimmy. Now time to take out this other O2, which is a pain. Let's take this one out, but Donovan came and crushed it down.
We didn't put PV blaster on that one?
Nah.
Oh, wait, that was another one?
Yeah, I put on this one.
Oh, okay.
So put some PV blaster on this one, let it soak up for a bit.
And then we'll get it out. Side to side for you guys. There's new gaskets and there's new bolts. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Soon you will get yours, babe. You can see the turbos. Now we got both downpipes in, and like Alonso said, we were gonna have a lot of problems putting those V-clamps right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that took like a
took us like
half an hour. Both are in now, just gonna tighten them. Start putting it back together. Also got the new gaskets on there. New bolts. Bolts and nuts. It's almost together. So Alonso is gonna sell his downpipes. He found somebody like last minute that's gonna buy each one for 300 bucks.
300.
So who knew he'd buy them that fast? You guys are about to pick them up.
Like,
look at that boy. Look at him. 600.
600. Just like that, bro. I just paid off all my football times. I got all my football times for free now.
Man.
If y'all haven't done y'all's downpipes, do y'all's downpipes right now.
So we got the V-brace back on. Steering rack secured. Just putting these shields back on. And then we're gonna connect the O2 sensors from up top. And then we're gonna see how it sounds. Okay, so now that we got Alonso's downpipes in, it's time to change the O2 sensors to my car, because I've been needing those. All right, so the O2s are coming out like real fast. Good thing put some PB blaster on them from the bottom, and they came off not too bad. It's been like 5 minutes and we got them out. So we're gonna put the new ones in there and fish them back in there.
One's in. Now to the next one. Minutes in.
Oh, there it goes again. Trying to take out my hand. So we got the sensors tightened from the bottom. Now it's just routing them and plugging them up. It's been like, I swear, like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes.
Crazy, man.
Having a lift helps, a big deal, instead of having to be under there.
When I did it took me over 2 hours trying to do it in my house. So 15-minute job, save yourself like 500 bucks.
Yep.
It's a win-win.
So they're in. Tighten the steering rack back up. Now Alonso's gonna clear the code. And hopefully that's it with that.
It's a good Sunday, bro.
It's a good Sunday. We got his downpipes in. We got the O2 sensors changed. And he got his 600 bucks. So, barely 7. About to turn it on, see how it sounds. See if we see any difference. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content.